Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Mo. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's DIY, it is like it says in the topic, it is a Dollar Tree DIY purse organizer. So, how many of you guys have a messy purse right now? I'm just gonna raise my hand right now. I am one of them. I have tons of stuff. You're running around chasing after your kids or whatever, and you just put things in your purse. What if I told you that today's DIY is only gonna cost you $5? $5 only, guys, and that you can make it as well. It is super easy and super cheap, of course, and it's like perfect for me. It's been working out for me, so it's Mo approved. So if you're interested in making your own purse organizer, then keep on watching. For this DIY, you are going to need your hot glue gun. I already have mine going here. Some clothespins, just a few. Some scissors. Some lace from Dollar Tree store or any ribbons of your choice. A sunglass pocket purse. And the water-resistant travel envelopes from Dollar Tree. Okay, so to start this DIY, you needed 3 sets of these travel envelopes. That's going to leave you with 3 of these, of the bigger envelopes for the bags, and it's going to leave you with 3 of these. Now, in order to make your purse organizer, what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of the larger envelopes and you're going to fold them. So this is the first one. Make sure that the zippers are opened. So you're going to go ahead and fold this in half. You're going to take another one and you're going to also fold that in half. Make sure the zippers are open. So this way they are facing, one will be facing this way. The tabs that they have here, they have the little tabs, and you will have one tab facing this way. But on the bottom, you need to just have the regular one of them open. Make sure this, well, you don't have to make sure the zipper is open, but for this one, it's the bottom one. And you can have it on whichever direction you want to. I'm going to use it on this direction. So you're going to lay it down like this. And you're going to go ahead and fold this, the first big envelope. And you're going to kind of sit them on top of each other just like that. So that's how it's going to look, sitting on top of one on top of another. Make sure that they're aligned on the side. This is so you can see how it's going to look. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab the smaller pouches. So one of the smaller pouches, you're just going to have it open and you're going to sit it right in the center, just like this. And then you're going to get your last 2 small envelopes, small little zippered pouch. One of the tabs is going to be going that way, and you want to get it closer to the bottom here like that. And then the other one with the zippered part open is going to be facing that way. So this is how your whole project is going to look. You're going to have one in the center up here, and then you're going to have 2 facing this way. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead. So once you fold it, it creates a pocket, and we're going to put the hot glue gun, and then we're going to put it from here to here to give it a good seal so we can put this together. So you're going to set this aside. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for all the folded bags. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll come back and show you the other set. Okay, so I've glued all of these down. And if you want them to dry a little quicker, so that's why I had you to get your clothespins so you can just put them on there and it would hold on. But you may not have to do that because the glue dries pretty quickly, but I just had them just in case. That leaves us with 2 of the smaller ones folded and 2 of the larger ones folded. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to apply glue to the back portion of the larger bags, here and here, and you're going to attach it to this center. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this smaller bag and you're going to place it right here. You're going to place the glue on the back side of it, along these edges here and back here, to sit it right in the center of your bag. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will show you how that looks. Okay, so we are done gluing everything together. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to take our lace, and the lace is just to make it look cuter because it looks like this. It's plain black and white, but let's put some lace on it. So what I've done is I've got this Dollar Tree lace ribbon here, and I've already cut it out for the size that I need. So what we're gonna do right now is gonna go ahead and put these, line them up, and we will see the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of your purse organizer, and I have laid down all the lace on both sides, as you can see. You can wipe it down if you get lipstick or anything on it, you can wipe it down, and that's why I didn't go with the cloth material. You have plenty of pocket space. So if you look here, you have 1 pocket space, you have 2 and 3. So 2 of these will give you 6 pocket space, and then you have this bigger size pocket here where you can put whatever you want on there. And then you also have 3 pocket space on the large one that can go deeper. So you have 1, and then the center, 2 and 3, as you can see. So you have that on both ends, and then at the very top you have an extremely large pocket space. So you don't have to go out there and spend all that money. You can go ahead and load everything into your purse organizer. This is the eyeglass case. So I will have this, and you can actually clip this onto one of the tabs here, and now you have your sunglass case. And this is a stretchy case, and that's why I love it, from Dollar Tree. And then of course you got your sunglasses, and this is a stretchy case. It's very durable. You can take it off and wash it. It is pretty good. So you put your sunglass in there, and then there you go. Here's your complete case, your complete purse organizer, which is amazing and super cute and affordable. And now we're gonna go ahead and just load this into our bags. All you're gonna have to do, instead of just changing out your bags, all you're gonna have to do is just pick it up, take it and place it right into your bag. And whenever you wanna switch it out, you can switch it out. But it fits perfectly into my bag, guys. Look how easy that was. Perfect. Everything just fits perfect inside, and I can just go ahead and just close up my bag, and I am ready to go. And that is it, guys, your $5 purse organizer. Okay guys, so that was it for my Dollar Tree DIY purse organizer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and next to that subscribe button, that bell, I want you to go ahead and click that bell so that you'll be notified for all of my new video uploads. I am so excited to have made this DIY because it is so helpful to me, but I know that I've seen other purse organizers and they're some of them are kind of expensive, but if you can make your own, why not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, definitely subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you. And as I always say, don't forget to live your life beautifully, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.